Okay, thanks for looking. Here is the Technics SL B3. It's a semi-automatic turntable that's up on auction right now. This video is just to give you a quick demo and also to show you the cosmetic condition of the item. The dust cover is excellent. That's a brand new aftermarket dust cover that has just been installed. And also too, the plinth is in nice shape. Couple little marks here and there. Nothing major. Just see a couple little marks here where the turntable, the dust cover was sitting on it. And also too on the other side here. Overall, it is very clean. And this is plug and play ready. Let me just grab a record real quick. I'll give you a quick demo and show you some of the features. Alrighty, and we're back. And you have your start stop button. Just hit that. And also too, you do see the adjustment down here. This is for the different size records. Right now it's set on the 12-inch, for the long play, 33 records. If you have any small 45s or anything like that, you can adjust it here and it will drop on the record in a correct spot. And also too, this has been serviced. That pot for the pitch adjustment has been completely adjusted. It's been cleaned with the deoxit, and it's dead on right now. It's also true about 45, the pitch is dead on. And you also have a nice little feature on the B3. You have the memo repeat. You could set this up to play as many as 6 times and it'll just keep on moving back to the 0. Also too, you see the R here, that is the repeat function. If you just want it to repeat, you just move it over to there. And also too, this is a belt drive turntable. The belt has been replaced. That's a brand new aftermarket belt that's on there. And also too, this is a Stanton cartridge. And the stylus is brand new. That's been changed also too. So pretty much this turntable is plug and play ready. And I'm just going to also show you too real quick your manual cueing lift. And I'm just going to also show you that the automatic return feature is working correctly. When it gets to the end of the record, and the turntable will shut off. I'm just going to also show you real quick too how this memo works. So if you see, we'll drop it onto the 1 right now. That's for 1 cycle. And as you can see, that little knob moved to the 0. So it'll just play 1 time. So it really is a nice turntable. And I'm just going to hit the stop reject button right there. And there you have it. That's the Technics SLB3. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and thanks a lot for looking.